guys, and welcome back to KHAIR'S Garage. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe because
it don't cost nothing to show a nigga love.
All we doing is getting money.
Show a nigga some love, nigga.
Wabbity dabbity.
And in today's video, we're just gonna go down to the tint shop. As you guys know, I got the replacement window for this, so we're just gonna bring it on down to them, let them tint it. We're gonna let it cure for about a week before we attempt putting it in, but I'm just gonna show you guys where I go to get this work done and how it's done. So stay tuned and we'll get there. Yeah, y'all, we got a nice little Jaguar right here, a little two-seater, but we ain't too worried about that. Y'all know it's Mopar, no car. So this blue Challenger right here is pretty nice. I think it's a V6 though, but at the same time, it doesn't matter. Mopar, no car. I'd rather have a V6 Challenger Charger than have a Toyota. All right, y'all. So you know it's KHAIR'S Garage, but today, man, we at Beto's Garage, man, down here by Lawrenceville Highway. I'll get the exact address for you guys in a second. They do pretty good work, but here's their phone number on the door. So pretty much any of these numbers right here, just give them a call. They'll hook you up. Great pricing, good people. We'll go ahead and bring this thing in here to them and get started. It'll only take a couple minutes, so I'll see you guys in a second.
Rocco here learned to cook in the joint.
So you see he got it done. Really good job. Just come down here and check him out, man. Just tell him the name of the shop. Just tell him the name of the shop.
Auto Detailing and Window Tint.
All right, yeah, y'all come see him, man. Do a great job, great pricing, man. Just tell him I sent you. All right, guys, so we're gonna put it right here in the back seat. We're gonna just leave it here for a week or so that it can cure. I was gonna leave it out in the garage, but I don't want it to get dusty or dirty, so we'll just leave it inside the car. And once it's fully cured in about a week, I'll check back with you guys on the installation portion of it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.